God, look at that. Layer upon layer upon layer upon layer upon layer. Oh my God, what is that? What in the world is that? That is art. That's going on a thing on a case on the wall in glass. Yes, babe, she's shaking her head. Yes, it is. Edge up a little bit, so the 2x4 will sit right in this whole thing. It's not sitting right here, right here. That's it.
Hey everybody, it's your Suburban Garden Permaculture Style Guy, and I'd like to welcome you all back to the latest episode of Fixing Up the Rotten Mobile Home to create our new 40-acre homestead. Now, I gotta remind everybody again, this isn't a renovation channel, and it's not my desire nor intentions to film nothing but a rotten mobile home being renovated for the next 3 months, but this is where we are. We will eventually be growing food, and we will be raising animals, and this is gonna be a beautiful piece of land. You're all gonna enjoy it with us. But for right now, we've gotta get through this nastiness. Come on, let's check this out.
It's like layers of the stratosphere, like on ice cream. Whole layers of caulk on top of caulk.
So much caulk. Oh my God. Look at that. Layer upon layer upon layer upon layer upon layer. Oh my God, what is that? What in the world is that? That is art. That's going on a thing on a case on the wall in glass. Yes, babe, she's shaking her head. Yes, it is.
It's so ugly.
That is the most amazing caulk job I have ever seen in my life.
In case you don't understand what we're looking at, when the wall was rotted out over the years, people have been pouring caulking down into this crack, and they've been doing it in layer after layer for year after year instead of fixing the problem.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Maybe do the other.
Yeah. Might have to pull it back out your way.
Get it.
Alright. Crazy.
Just need a hammer.
To be fair, most of my problems can be solved with a hammer.
Yeah, we just gotta go cut some. See that hammer?
see how bad I walk? I've got a disc out in my back. It really hurts.
You're there. You're there. Good. Now this side.
After all that, I didn't like how it sat, so I had to take it back out, and let's go ahead and trim this thing up a little better. I normally ain't good enough would be good enough for me, but this front door, I need it to be right. I want it to be right, and I just want everything to be flush the way it should be, so I'm gonna put extra effort into this. Sorry that it's so boring that this is all I'm recording. I just caught myself calling what I'm doing making it right, quote unquote making it right. I'm not making it right, I'm making it what it's gonna be. Right for me is not actually technically correct in any sort of construction manner that anyone can come up with, so, you know, I'm just winging this, guys. I like how we got it trimmed up, we've got it back in place, and now it's time to lock it in. And if you're wondering why I'm laying on this nasty floor, again, it's because of my back. It's easier for me to lay down and do work right now. I was having a really bad day for my back that day. My back's been out for a couple of months, but I have worse days and better days. And this day, I can't really do a lot of squatting. Alright, once again, because I'm no kind of videographer of any kind at all, we had to leave, and we've come back. We had to put the door back on, of course, so it wouldn't rain in there, and now we're taking it all back apart to complete what we were working on. We've got the 2x4 in. I didn't really record a lot of that afterwards, but we need to get a door frame going here now, so that's what we're working on. If you stick around to the end, you'll get to see. I'll take you on a tour and show you all that nice woodwork we've done.
I'm trying to make sure you guys are seeing any of this. We're going brute force. It's not coming out.
What I'm trying to brute force is that 2x4 that's screwed or nailed to that 1x4 that is the whole upper frame. I don't want to rip that upper frame up in pieces. That would be bad. That's my doorway. So we need to get that out of there because we got to create an electrical channel at some point. The electrical wires jump over the front door. Well, right now with that 2x4 in the way and how short the ceiling height is, we don't have a lot of room for a door. So that board has to come out of there. And when I mentioned the ceiling height, this trailer only has 7-foot ceilings, we determined. And since there's overlay floors that are kind of doubled up, it's less than that. So these ceilings are only 6 foot 11 inches or something like that off the ground, or off the floor surface. So yeah, it's a really low ceiling. But beggars can't be choosers, and this was a free mobile home for the cost of a move, so I'm not complaining, I'm just pointing out this is one of the features of our new home is very low ceiling. You always got to turn a negative into a positive. Or they'll just go crazy, I suppose. But not me. I see the positive in almost everything, just not everything.
Oh, maybe. Alright, go for those discs. We're on a cell phone. This isn't going to last very long. But I wanted to see if this wall goes up or not.
Since the doorway has a sag to it, I've cut the board a little longer, and I'm going to try to pound it into place as we're doing to try to lift it up. I was hoping you could kind of see it happening on camera. I don't know if y'all can actually see that. I see a little bit, but the board on the right-hand side will be even taller. But yeah, I'm trying to lift and compress all that at the same time.
Oh, we've got a long way to go. Oh wow, yeah, looks like it pushed it up some.
Is it a little off?
Yeah, I went over too far. Blam. That'll work. It went up some, I saw it.
No, I saw it now. Better. So, do the other side the same size?
Y'all see that? Beat it down there. Got it straight and level. Hopefully, it looks like it pushed it up some. There's still an air gap right there. As you can see, it's kind of strange. Probably because of all the scab wood out there is holding it in a bind. We have to get out there and remove all that. All right, that's what we're working on. All right, this one's even longer than the last one. That actually pushed it up some. We've discovered we want it to be about right here. That's where we said we want it to be. Pretty good. Hold that. Get it off the wood, it's going to bounce it. Little one. You can do that too. Looks good. That's good. Now, we were below 80 inches. Did we make an improvement? I believe we did. Again, I apologize. This is on a cell phone, so it's going to be real shaky. I'm trying to go real slow with it. So we hopefully have lifted this up a little bit at least. I wonder if this one got looser. Yeah, it got looser. So now we could actually go with a bigger board and help lift that up even more. Again, try not to shake. It's a cell phone. All of a sudden, GoPro died on me unexpectedly. I don't know. I wouldn't say we took much of it out.
You just screw it to it. Good enough.
Good enough. Guess that's good enough. That'll be good enough. Screw it to it. Let's go. Do it. It's good enough. I've created a monster. Gotta go below the wood. Hey everybody. Alright, it's your Suburban Garden Permaculture Style Guy here again at the Rotten Mobile Home. Just wanted to recap, because this is not where we're at right now. This was the Rotten hot water heater closet area, front door frame area. We did get the front door framed in. The GoPro died, and some of the footage you're going to see in here is from cell phones that don't look as good as this. So I got 3 across this face. I got some in between them before I put the 2x4s together that you can't see, burying the first one in. And that's going to be our door frame. We're done with all this. I'd come over here and put a bunch more screws over here. We could use some nails in some of them, just to do that. But, let me go ahead and fall down for you. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, we got the front door on the other side. All right, so we're looking all right. I wouldn't say we're looking wonderful, but livable. And there's our electrical channel. Our electrical is supposed to go through and come over this door. This is just some stuff that's here temporary. And yeah, So there's that. So where are we gonna go from here? There's not much else right. I mean, there is, but not what we're doing frame right now. We're doing frame. So looks like we're gonna have to start on this. And I want to start on this.
Take some more 2x6.
Yeah, we need more 2x6s because we have to redo this whole floor. And then we're not just going to be going to the beam, obviously, because the beam is exposed. We're bringing those way over here, maybe to the next beam. So they may need to be full 8-foots or maybe 10s. I don't even know. We're going to find out.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
Thanks for hanging out so far, you guys. You've all been awesome. We sure appreciate all you new subscribers and new viewers. Hey, if you guys would like to help us out, the best way you could help us is to share our videos and ask others to subscribe. Thank you for all of you guys who have subscribed and all you new watchers. We are so happy to have you guys here. All right, everybody. We'll see y'all on the next one.